channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to be about obviously Valentine. So have somebody's offering you gift. Please, this life is not hard at all. It is not hard. Please give yourself gifts. Be like Mr. Bean right here. And give yourself a gift. Simple. Anyways, guys, so let's just get right to the video.
These are the list of materials that you're going to need for this DIY. I'm also going to leave a list in the description box for you to check out later. So the first thing you want to do is glue the bamboo skewers to the back of the chocolate. You could also use sellotape if you do not have a glue gun. After I finished gluing the bamboo skewers to the back of the chocolate, for added reinforcement, I then use sellotape on top of it. The next thing you want to do is arrange the bouquet. So just the way flowers bouquet are arranged in layers, you also want to arrange the chocolate in layers from a very small layer to the top of the layer where it's now spreads out at the back. So for this, you're going to tape all the different chocolates together in the layers that you want them to form. Then after which you're going to wrap the whole bouquet. So the first wrapping sheet I used is called a tracing paper. This is a bit hard, so I use that to wrap the bouquet first. Then the next thing I do, just to give it a fluff, I use the baking sheet to form a fluff at the top of the chocolate. Then finally you want to use the final wrapping paper to wrap it. Then you put a ribbon on top and you're done.
if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, peace.